I think we have completed एक दोन वाक्यात उत्तरे लिहा. Yes, this was the last thing. Be little louder. I'm not able to hear you. Okay. Yeah, so this was the last thing. And the poem that we were doing, last poem which was left was Ghar. Then, as you have told me, that Wednesday is your exam, isn't it? So, what we will do then, today we will complete this. Tomorrow we will do grammar, Monday. Then Tuesday again we are going to do revision. Sharanya will also join now. Her also lot of things are pending now. By that time we will continue. Good. So till now we have done complete the following. No. MCQs, yeah, complete the following. एक दोन वाक्यात उत्तरे लिहा. Now brief is there. Correct. Hmm. There is a diagram. खालील आकृती पूर्ण करा. घर व्यक्तीतील काय काय शिकवते. Question number 5. Same chapter I am talking. After brief, there is खालील आकृती पूर्ण करा. There is a diagram there. After brief, what is there after brief? चलो, let's read the next one. खालील आकृती पूर्ण करा. घर व्यक्तीला काय काय शिकवते. So what is the answer? पोहायला, चढायला. This is चालायला. खेळायला is there. खेळायला is given. Can you read the answer once again? चढायला. Correct. पोहायला is swimming. खेळायला is playing. So we play in our house, we swim there. धावायला run. लढायला to fight. Yeah, fight they are talking here about sibling fight. चढायला is to grow or to rise high. Okay. So पोहायला, चालायला, धावायला, लढायला, चढायला. और पोहायला, खेळायला, धावायला, लढायला, चढायला. Okay, this is question number 5. You can go through it once, write it once in your book. Okay. Spelling. I want the spellings. Chalo. Yes, Labigdan. Yes, Labigdan. Okay. Why your voice is coming so low today, Labig? Are you very far away from the device? Okay, let me ask you. घर व्यक्तीला काय काय शिकवते. Okay. Now next one. शब्दातील शेवटचे अक्षर सारखे येणारे शब्द कवितेतून शोधून लिहा. दॅट इज rhyming words. Yeah, in English how we have the rhyming words, in the same way we have rhyming words here as well. Okay, so let's see the rhyming word. Vastu. Vastu, correct. जिवाडा, शाळा. पाहायला, भान, चविष्ट, कनिष्ठ. खोल्या, पसारा, निवारा. सावधान, गोष्ट, निवारा, चेहरा. That's correct. Let's read it once again. Vastu, जिवाडा, अ, पाहायला, भान, चविष्ट, खोल्या, पसारा, सावधान, गोष्ट, निवारा. Okay, chalo. Go through it once. Write it once in your book, Labhi. Yes, can I ask you? Chalo, let me ask you then. Vastu, Jivada, Pahaila, भान, चविष्ट, होल्या, पसारा, सावधान, गोष्ट, चेहरा, निवारा. Okay, so anyway it can come either of the two. Okay. चलो let's move further now. After this खाली शेवटचे अक्षर. After this what we have, खाली शब्दाचे लिंग ओळखून ओळखा आणि वचन बदला. Okay, can you read the first one from your workbook? You have the question na? Yeah, I'm telling you to read the question first. हाँ, this one no. खाली. After this we have खाली शब्दाचे लिंग ओळखून वचन बदला. That is the question ना? Okay. First one is घर, घरे. भिंत, okay, see, only this word is question. Which type of which type of gender it is you have to tell. That is the answer. And vachan badla. Vachan also like singular to plural, plural to singular also you have to do. So ghar is napusakaling and vachan badla is ghare. Bhint, nivara, pullingi, आई, आई only. Okay, डोंगर, हवा, आजोबा, मोर, फूल. Okay, ध्वज. So as you could see, some places the is not getting changed. Like vachan badla, singular and plural both are same. Like ai, hawa hawa, azoba azoba, more is more only. Then dhwaj is dhwaj. So that we need to remember. Go through it once, learn it thoroughly, and if you want, you can write it once in your book as well. And then I will be asking you. Okay. Yes, Labi. Can I ask you now? Okay. Tell me, घर. Then we have भिंत, निवारा, आई, डोंगर, हवा, आजोबा, मोर, फूल. Correct, sorry. ध्वज. ध्वज. That is correct. चलो, let us. Move forward now. Okay, look in your book and tell me what is the next thing coming. Correct. So, समानार्थी शब्द. And after that खाली शब्द व त्याचे अर्थ लक्षात ठेवा. That is, hmm? Hello. Yes, after that. करेक्ट. चलो समानार्थी शब्द ॲज यू नो मीनिंग सिनम्स. सूर्य या शब्दाचे मराठी समानार्थी शब्द लिहा. सो सूर्य रवी. देन प्रभाकर. पृथ्वी या शब्दाचे मराठीचे समानार्थी शब्द लिहा. वसुंधरा. देन घर या शब्दाचे मराठीचे समानार्थी शब्द लिहा. आलिया. भुवन. चलो गो थ्रू इट. Okay, do one thing. I don't think you will remember all this samanarthi shabda. Every word learn three. Any three you will learn. Okay, so that will become easier. Okay. Okay, learn it and write it once in your book. Okay, let me ask you now samanarthi shabda for Surya. पृथ्वी. घर. Oh. Now let's move on to the next one, which is खालील शब्दाचे अर्थ. Okay, meanings of few words. चविष्ट is विशिष्ट, भ्रमिष्ट, गपिष्ट, कोपिष्ट, अनिष्ट, योग्य नसलेले. चव असणारे मीन्स दॅट इज टेस्टी. देन वी हॅव विशिष्ट ठराविक प्रकारचे, पर्टिक्युलर टाईप. भ्रमित, भ्रम झालेले. भ्रम इज हाऊ वी वुड से हॅल्युसिनेशन. दॅट इज भ्रम. गपिष्ट गप्पा मारणारे, टॉकेटिव्ह. देन वी हॅव कपिष्ट रागवलेले, अँग्री. देन वी हॅव अनिष्ट योग्य नसलेले, like some fraud or some illegal, yeah, which is unethical, we would say. That is anisht. Clear? Go through it once, learn it once thoroughly, and write it in your book. Yes, let me ask you now. खालील शब्द व त्याचे अर्थ लक्षात ठेवा. चविष्ट. गुड. वैशिष्ट. विशिष्ट. रमिष्ट. गपिष्ट. कोपिष्ट. अनिष्ट. योग्य नसलेले. ओके, चलो लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड. व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट थिंग इन योर वर्कबुक? Hmm? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Got it. Yeah, there are. I don't think this will come in the exam. Yeah, Venn diagram is there. We will move on to brief now. Hope at least one we can complete it today. Okay, ready? There are two brief, na? You can see the whiteboard. Okay, so let's get started. कवीने घराचे वर्णन कोणत्या शब्दात केले आहे ते लिहा. घर म्हणजे नुसता दगड, वीट, सिमेंट पासून बनवलेले चार भिंतीने तयार केलेली वस्तू नसून ती एक सुंदर कलाकृती आहे. सी व्हेरी सिम्पल. व्हॉट इज घर? घर हे नुसते दगड, दगड इज स्टोन, वीट इज ब्रिक्स, सिमेंट इज वी नो सिमेंट इज सिमेंट ओनली. बनवलेले चार भिंत इज वॉल. तयार केलेली वस्तू नसून, सो इट इज नॉट जस्ट अ थिंग विच इज मेड अप ऑफ ऑल दीज थिंग्स, बट ते एक सुंदर कलाकृती आहे. कलाकृती मीन्स इट्स अ ब्युटिफुल इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर, इट्स अ ब्युटिफुल आर्ट. ओके. ती एक आनंदी वस्तू आहे. सो इट्स अ हॅपी प्लेस. आनंदी इज हॅपी. घरात फक्त वेगवेगळ्या खोल्या नसून, खोल्या इज रूम्स, चालत नाही तर घर म्हणजे जिव्हाळा व प्रेमाने भरलेले ओल्या भावना असतात. जिव्हाळा डिवायडेड इज अफेक्शन, इमोशन्स. या भरलेले ओल्या भावना, इमोशन्स फिलिंग्स असतात. ओके, आय थिंक यू शुड लर्न फ्रॉम इयर टिल इयर ओनली. ओके, दॅट मच ऑल्सो विल बी इनफ, so that we can complete both the answers. Can you read the answer once? Hmm. ओळख असते. Chalo, let's continue. You are continuing, so I think you are okay with the two sentences, and then again there are three more sentences. घरातच आपण शिक्षणाची पहिली शाळा शिकत असतो. So first school is घर only. घर म्हणजे फक्त पसारा. So all the things are not scattered किंवा केवळ निवारा. It is not just a place to stay. पण त्याला स्वतःचे असा एक चेहरा व कहाणी आहे. Every house has a story. Every house has a face. घराला स्वतःची अशी एक ओळख आहे. देर इज अन identity of the house. Every house has its own identity, own story. When you look at a place, when you look at a house, there are some stories to share related to their house. Come on, go through it, write it once in your book.